I swear, it better not be that wobbler shaft again. Come on, Paul, pick up.
Hello.
Paul, it's me.
Me who?
Skeeter, your oldest son?
Come again.
You know me, Skeeter. I brought in the firewood this morning.
Boy, why didn't you tell me it was you? I thought it was one of them salesmen gonna try to sell me one of them extended warranties for the barn again.
The salesman calls you Pa, too?
Now, no matter that. Hey, didn't I send you out this morning to go get a bucket of nails?
Well, right you are, but weirdest thing's happening. The truck keeps making this weird humming noise, and it's not stopping for anything.
Well, let me ask you, son, did you walk around and kick the tires? Did you pop the hood and tap on random things?
I did it exactly as you told me. It still ain't stopping.
Boy, I hope it's not that wobbler shaft again. That old boy fixed up last week, charged me $795, but never mind that, son. But I know what the problem is.
Oh boy, what is it, Paul?
Well, you see, the reason why it's humming is because it don't know the words.
Stay tuned for another episode of Roughing It with the Leadsmith.
Come again.